Love that. Well, a live look now at Center City, where today a little bit chilly out there, but that sunshine certainly helped to lift some spirits. We're tracking some intense weather, though, for the next few days. Meteorologist Lauren Casey joins us now from her home. Hi, Lauren.
Hey, Jess. Yeah, coming to you live from the Casey household in Philadelphia once again. But yeah, did have a nice day today. It's beautiful out right now. A little chillier earlier in the day, but now things have warmed up and we have abundant sunshine to close out this Saturday. Getting a live look right now, we'll head down the shore. Cape May, not a cloud in the sky. Check out all of that blue. The ocean looking pretty tame, but all of that is going to change big time as we head into Monday. But for right now, conditions are lovely. Abundant sunshine across South Jersey. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s down the shore. We're at 56 degrees right now in Philadelphia under a mostly sunny sky. Have some middle 50s with sunshine in the Lehigh Valley. But of course, we do have that breeze still elevated up there around 17 miles per hour with some locally higher gusts. But the wind speeds are going to start to wane as we head into the overnight period. Storm Scan 3 showing us incredibly quiet conditions right now, and we do have a quiet Easter holiday in store before a very powerful storm system arrives as we head into tomorrow night and Monday, and things get active very, very quickly. But for tonight, mostly clear and seasonably cool. We're down to 42 degrees with those winds dying down, especially after sunset. For our Easter tomorrow, we're up to near 70 degrees, sunshine to start, then increasing clouds, still a bit breezy with those southwesterly winds up around 10 to 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts. So the wind will start to kick back up again as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Then looking ahead towards Monday, we're 3 days out and we already are in a slight risk category 2 of 5 of severe weather. It's potentially possible that we could move into enhanced before Monday arrives. So keep this in the back of your mind, the severe weather potential for strong storms, but even outside of any severe thunderstorms, we are going to have an intense wind event. A high wind watch is in effect all day on Monday for the entire Delaware Valley, as we do have the potential of wind gusts 55 to 60 miles per hour. That is severe criteria, and that's outside of any thunderstorm activity. Down trees, wires are likely, and also the possibility of some power outages. So we'll quickly take you through future weather. We'll show you tonight, not too much going on as we head through the day tomorrow. We're going to have some clouds increasing, and that rain starts to move in as we head into tomorrow night. Rounds of heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms throughout the day on Monday. That is our extremely active day, so be ready to charge all of those devices as we head into Sunday, as we will likely see power outages on Monday. Tuesday, things quiet down and get a little bit chillier, Jess, with high temperatures falling back into the upper 50s.
Well, the soggy Easter bunny. Lauren, thank you.